There's about a 1/4 inch of ice. Obviously, you heard us crashing through it. We finally got to an open spot here. So I'm not going to anchor or anything. I'm just going to toss a bobber out and see if there's some fish in this open water. And then we'll come up with another game plan, because it's like 29 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 45 today, but the nights are really, really cold, obviously. So we are mid-December. This might be stupid, but let's see what happens. There's a start. All right, first crappie. He's a little small though. We're gonna let him go. We're hoping for bigger. If we can't catch no bigger than that, then we just can't do it. But they're out here still. That's a good sign. Too much slack. Oh, we got him. Got lucky. That's a fatter one, about the same size, but fatter. We're going to try to keep him. Let's see what happens. See if we can't get him messed. We're not looking for too many. I'm not trying to keep the whole lake full. Got one. I think I snagged him. Yeah, he ate it. So they're out there. I haven't found the real big ones yet.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to keep in time for these bigger ones.
Right. There's a pretty nice one. Nothing like ice fishing out of a boat.
Yeah. It'll be open before we get out of here.
It will be, yep.
There we go. That feels like a better one. Did you get one that stopped when you set the hook?
Yeah, finally.
Yeah.
It's pretty far out though. He may not be great. Oh, it's pretty
They all
good.
feel big when you first start digging, isn't it?
Yeah, man. He's a big one. Patience, I guess. Yeah. All right, that's easily the best one of the day so far.
Yeah, 12 to 14 were nice.
Yep, that's a good one. He's healthy. That might be a big one. Those big ones hit it the same way.
Yeah. Real life.
Yep. Woo! Good thing I had the net.
Had a lot of them last week.
Holy cow.
You shake it a little bit in the back of the net and roll it back out again.
Yeah, I had to learn my lesson. I lost probably a 16-incher at the boat trying to just lift it in.
Oh, you learned that one the hard way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it don't take but one.
No. The net wasn't more than 2 foot from me either. There's another nice one.
Oh,
All right, here's what we got going on. We are sitting in about 6 foot of water. I'm casting into anywhere from 10 to 15 foot. I have a slip bobber on with a 3/16 inch jig head, just a yellow and orange eyed jig head, tipped with a minnow on this rod. And on the other rod, I got it tipped with this Gulp Alive stuff. And so far, just largemouth are hitting the Gulp alive, but that's what we got going on. We're doing all right. We're getting hits every now and then. And for December 11th, I don't know how you can complain. It was icy this morning, as you've seen. We come out here, everything was all iced up. The water's growing now. The wind's blowing, the sun's coming up. It was 29 when we launched, and I think it's about 36, 37 degrees now. So we're just gonna sit here, sit tight. I'm marking fish, swimming back and forth through here. I don't want to do a whole lot of moving around. I hate lifting the anchors up and putting them back, and I just don't feel like doing it. So we'll be patient. That's all we're doing. Enjoying the fact that we can catch fish on the open water. Well, open water. It was iced over, but we broke through it in the middle of December, and we're still catching fish. So let's see how it goes. Oh, we got one on the Gulp. Right. Gave him a little bit of a different look. Feels like a decent one. Oh, it's one of them big ones. Oh, well, I'll be a son of a gun. What did I tell you? No, bass. They love this stupid Gulp. About a pound and a half. Oh, he's got it again. Looks like he's swimming it right back toward him. I think he's got it. Yep, he's got it. Yeah. It might be a keeper. We got one on both rods. We got one on this rod for sure. I don't feel like that's another one of our big ones, but at least it's another fish. Oh, it is a big one. There we go. That's how we want to end it. There we go. That's what we're looking for right there. That will be the last one I need. We'll let a couple of the small ones go. I only need a few of these to make a good dinner. And that's what we did. That's an excellent fish. Can't ask for no better than that. This is why I'm still here. I should have left already. Awesome. All right, these are two of the bigger ones that I got. I don't know if they're the biggest, but they're the ones I grabbed and it was cold. So that's all we got for today. I'm gonna go home, fillet these guys up, make some fish tacos. I think we got about half a dozen this size, which is more than enough for us. The rest of those little ones that I kept, the just in casers, they're gonna get released now. So we'll leave these bobbers out just another cigarette or so. We'll bass fish our way toward the launch and go fry these up, make some tacos. So that's it. Let's go do it. Boom.